How to add product slider section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click on section to page, and now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the product slider option. Choose a template. For example, this one looks good, and wait a few seconds until your template will be ready. As you can see, now click manage to manage the products that you have here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.